So Malcolm, what are you gonna make for us today?
Today I'm going to be making double chocolate chip muffins.
All right. Well, I guess Malcolm's gonna be a junior this year. He doesn't need me, so I'm gonna step out and let you do your thing. So good luck, son.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hello everybody, my name is Chef Malcolm Champion, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious treat that your kids and families will definitely enjoy. I'm going to be making double chocolate chip muffins. Make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees, it's very important. So I already greased out the 11 of these pans, and what you're going to need to do is that you're going to grab some avocado oil, and you're going to pour a little bit, not a lot, but just a little bit on it. And you're going to rub it across the pan. Make sure it's not too much. It's just to make sure the muffins don't stick to it while baking. You're gonna need a medium mixing bowl. I'm gonna put the flour in there, 2 cups of flour in there, and I'm gonna put half a cup of white sugar into the mixture, just like that. And then you're gonna need half a cup of chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. And it goes into the mixture as well. That's why it's double chocolate chip. And next, you're gonna have to add in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And then you're gonna wanna add in half a teaspoon of salt, just like so. And then next, after that, you're gonna want to mix them up. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna need a 3/4 cup of milk. That's right, a 3/4 cup of milk, exactly, and then pour it into the small bowl. You should have to pour a 1/3 of a cup of avocado oil into the bowl. I use Bellavado avocado oil, but you can use any kind. Avocado oil. It's okay. And then lastly, you're gonna need one egg. You're gonna crack this egg into the bowl, just like that. All right, and then next we're gonna do, you're gonna wanna mix it up. All right, so now I'm done mixing up the liquid ingredients. You're just gonna carefully pour it onto the large mixing bowl with all the dry ingredients. And then you're gonna want to start mixing the oven in order to make the batter. Let's keep mixing the dough until there are no lumps on it. So you're gonna want to grab like a large amount, but not too much. You're gonna grab the batter and put it into the cup until it's 2/3 full. It's very important to not fill it all the way to the top, or else the dough will rise too high. All right, everybody. Now that I finished filling up the muffin cups with the batter, before baking, what you gotta do is you're gonna grab your white sugar mixed with brown sugar, and you're going to sprinkle it on top of it. So last tip you're gonna want to do is you're gonna put your muffins into the oven. Make sure it's preheated at 400 degrees, and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, and you should have your tasty muffins ready. As you can see, guys, it has a perfect golden brown look. It has a crispy texture as well.
What do we have here? Oh, I see you got them all done, huh?
Yep.
Looks good, son. I see you put the little sugars on there, got the nice little caramelization on top of them.
Uh-huh.
Very good. What kind of muffins were these again?
These are double chocolate chip muffins.
I guess there's only one thing left to do, huh? You want to try some of this with me?
Yep.
And cheers.
Yep.
Job well done.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we'll see, world. Let's see how
right.
the young Malcolm Champion did.
All right.
That's a good muffin. My mom never made me muffins like this when I was growing up. 2 different chocolates, all the fixings, made by Chef Malcolm. Well done, son.
Thanks.
All right. Well, there you have it, guys. We're going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back. Well done. Awesome.